Hey everybody, welcome back, and we're going to be doing a Husqvarna fork seal today for our buddy, and I'm going to run you through it real quick. Alright, well, excuse the mess, but first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this top off. Usually come off pretty easy here. Another 3/4 right there, so I'm going to have to grab another wrench real quick. Alright. Okay, we'll take it over to the bench. I'm going to drain the fluid first, and then we'll take it over the bench and show you how this works. Alright, I got as much as I'm going to get out of there, but there's still a bunch in there. So, what I like to do is I like to pop this off first to make sure there's no circlip under there, because I'm not familiar with these style forks. Never done a Husky. So, yeah. Alright, they're the same as most. There's a little clip under here we're going to take off. Alright. Now, make a mess. Oh, not too bad. It's all going to be in here. Let's see if I can get a little more of this out real quick. That thing will continue to leak for a month. Alright, so these are our Teflons. Our outer and our inner Teflon. They both look really good. Actually, I can't tell about the... Let me take this off first and we'll find out. So, still looks brand new in there. So that's good. Dirt didn't get to it too bad. Same with this one. Still looks nice. Okay, so we have our spacers. Inner seal. Now, I'm going to show you. Make sure before you take these off, you orientate them the right way. Because one of these, you can put them on backwards. And they will go in, the inner seal will. And you don't want to do that. So, each we go on like so, which is a pretty standard issue. Let's get a clean microfiber here. All the fluid that came out of this was perfectly clean. No dirt in it, so it's probably a pretty low mileage bike, I would say. You just want to be careful when you put these on. I'm going to put a little dielectric grease on them to help them slide over. careful when you put these on because you don't want to notch them up, because this is pretty sharp edge right here. Now, there are tools that can help us. Use your seal mate. Just go ahead and stick it under there like so. Work the seal around. That way we don't have to worry about marring it up right here on this edge. So seal, grease. So basically on these the springs go towards the bottom. Just gotta make sure the inside of this fork tube's cleaned out real well, and I'll just spray it out with some brake cleaner. So I'll be right back. Alright, that's nice and clean. It's been a long time since I've done this, and I cannot find my seal whatever it's called, seal tool. So I just made one out of piece PVC coupler and kind of clearanced it and made it so it's gonna work for me. I'm just gonna use a mallet. We'll use a soft plastic mallet, that way we don't hurt the fork. There all the way. Alright, now we can figure out how much fluid we're going to put in it and put it back together. Alright, well I found a bunch of mixed stuff on the internet, but you know, the main issue is I didn't get all the fluid out of this. You can tell there's still fluid in it. So I'm going to do this by height, which is, we can put more oil in it to make it stiffer, less to make it softer, but this is what we're going to start with. Put it back together. Alright, we'll take it back over to the vise and tighten it up. all done. And they feel great. No leaking anymore. Alright guys, that was pretty easy. Quick and easy, down and dirty. So I hope you all enjoyed, and like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.